Dish Drop Dishwashing Liquid Bubble Demonstration. The purpose of this demonstration is to show the incredible concentration of Dish Drop's concentrated dishwashing liquid. To perform this product demonstration, you will need Amway Home Dish Drops Concentrated Dishwashing Liquid, large drinking straws, a medium-sized clear drinking glass, tap water, and a tray. First, fill the glass with tap water, which is placed on a tray. Next, pick up one of the straws and place just the tip of the straw into Dish Drops Concentrated Dishwashing Liquid. Now place the straw into the water and take a deep breath. Blow into the straw and watch as bubbles are formed quickly, filling the glass and overflowing onto the tray. Keep blowing until the tray is filled with bubbles. This demonstration shows that Amway Home Dish Drop Concentrated Dishwashing Liquid formulation is super concentrated by generating huge amount of suds that pile upon the tray. Dish Drop is a versatile product and can be used on all sorts of crockery like stainless steel, copper, brass, aluminium, bone china crockery and cutlery, glassware, silverware, and so on. Amway Home Dish Drops helps ensure long-lasting suds action that leaves dishes sparkling clean. Amway Home Dish Drops. Healthier home, healthier environment.